Welcome to the Sheridan Hotel, located in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. At the cruise port, let's check it out. Stay tuned, we're going to check out the entire resort, including a room tour. Now, bear with us. We were granted an upgrade for an executive one-bedroom suite. Pretty awesome. Now, San Juan has two cruise ports. One, Old San Juan cruise port, which we noticed on the way in, and the Pan American cruise port, located across the harbor. That's where our ship was located. Sheridan hotels are part of Marriott, so you can use your Bonvoy Point program. Up here on the second floor is where most of the action happens. There's a conference area, breakfast area, restaurant area, and a bar. We'll get into all that. Stay tuned. This outside deck for dining and drinks is great. It just rained, that's why nobody's out here at the moment. You can see the pier from here, and you can see the cruise ship. So there's the Old San Juan pier. Seems like P&O, Viking, Doctor ships there, some local smaller ships, but off in the distance you can see across the harbor. That's where the larger ships are. Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, both have ships over there. Upon checking in, they asked, did you want points or did you want a free breakfast? I chose the points, so we didn't indulge in their breakfast. It is a buffet style. I'd like to give you a big shout out for watching our video. We truly appreciate it. It means a lot. With that said, help us out a little further with a like, a subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Oh, and don't forget to let us know how we're doing in the comments. They have an extensive conference area. Some of the areas were being used while we were there, some were not. Very nice though. All right, let's wrap this up and let's get into the room tour. Again, we used our Bonvoy points and requested an upgrade, and it was granted. So, executive suite, one bedroom with a balcony. Let's check it out. This balcony gave us spectacular views of the port, Old San Juan, and the fort. Amazing. Here's a view of the second balcony, just as beautiful as the first. And stay tuned for an awesome sunset. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're planning a trip. I hope you have a great time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you so much.